In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reminders in ClickUp. Reminders are a simple and effective way to make sure important tasks, follow-ups, or deadlines don't slip through the cracks. Whether you're setting a reminder for yourself or assigning it to someone else, ClickUp makes the process quick and easy. To get started, look to the upper right corner of ClickUp and click the check mark with plus icon. This opens the Create window, which is where you can quickly create different types of items without leaving your current workspace. Once the Create window appears, click the Reminder tab at the top. This switches the form specifically to Reminder mode, so you can enter all the details needed to schedule a notification. Now go ahead and enter the name of your reminder. Make the title clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. A short descriptive name works best, especially if you manage multiple reminders throughout the day. If you need to add more context, click Add Description and type in any extra details. This is useful if the reminder needs instructions, notes, or anything else that will help you take action when the notification appears. Next, click Today to set the reminder date and time. Choose the exact day, and if needed, the specific time you want the reminder to be triggered. Being precise here can help you stay organized and make sure the reminder appears when it's most useful. After that, click For Me. This gives you the option to keep the reminder assigned to yourself or delegate it to someone else. If you're working with a team, this can be a helpful way to make sure the right person gets notified. Then, click Notify Me to choose when ClickUp should send a notification. Depending on your workflow, you may want the alert at the exact time of the reminder, or a little earlier to give yourself time to prepare. If the reminder needs supporting material, click the paperclip icon to attach a file. This can be helpful for adding documents, images, or other relevant files so everything you need is connected to the reminder in one place. Once everything looks good, click Create Reminder. That saves the reminder and adds it to your ClickUp system. To view it afterward, open Inbox and select Later. This is where you can find your upcoming reminders and keep track of what's scheduled next. That's all it takes to create and manage a reminder in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.